Hello everyone, and welcome to this short introduction to the application of psychogeometry on Earth. So I've used Google Earth to project the first fundamental geometric solid, which is the tetrahedron, and I've combined two tetrahedrons, the well-known star tetrahedron, the double star tetrahedron. So to start build the constructions of the double star tetrahedron on Earth, I started from the reference point, which is the North Pole. Then from the North Pole, I want to draw my first longitude circle, or my first edge from the apex of the upward tetrahedron. I want to project my first edge on Earth. So the obvious reference line we could actually use, or actually draw, is the line passing through the Pyramid of Giza, which is the, by definitions, the original prime meridian. So I'm not using the reference line of the prime meridian going through London, but I will use the prime meridian, the original prime meridian, through the Pyramid of Giza. So that's my first reference line, because it was used by ancestors in ancient time, and I believe it would make more sense to use the original prime meridian if we talk about planetary grid and circuit sites. The reference nodal point will be Giza. So once I've got the first edge of the tetrahedron in three-dimensional view, it looks like this. We've got our first point here, the apex, the North Pole, then got my second vertex in Zimbabwe, and to get the two others vertices, which makes the base of the upward tetrahedron, we have to space them out exactly 120 degrees. So another point is the Coral Sea in Australia, and we have another point in the Pacific Ocean near South America. So that makes three vertices, and joining those three vertices, I decided to draw a circle, which is the green circle here, and his latitude exactly 19.47 degrees south. So if we apply the same method for the downward tetrahedron pointed to the South Pole, we have the red circle here at the latitude of 19.47 degree north. And so we have different locations, obviously, and the most important to remember is those circles are interesting to witness at this time on Earth, particularly with the energies are intensifying with the cosmic rays from interstellar mediums from outer space. The energies are intensifying and coming from much higher places, because our solar system is now moving to a G clouds, or changing and transiting from one medium to another with much higher energy. So consequently, the planet Earth will be responding to this with much more higher energies coming to our body, and the effect of that, the consequences, is we can see volcanic eruptions, but the most likely to occur on these particular locations on those latitudes, a circle of 19.47 degrees. And lately there was a volcanic eruption in Hawaii, and as you can see, the red line is passing through this island. Okay, so we just be aware the planet Earth is going through her own process, and Gaia Earth will be going through some major changes on the physical plane, as much as the etheric, spiritual, mental, emotional, every planes are actually at play now. So this is a short introduction of sacred geometry and how we can apply it on Google Earth, how we can project sacred geometry on planet Earth and investigate where those ley lines, or energetic flow, energetic pathways are, and investigate the locations where the energies are most likely to be more intense, including Hawaii, but there will be other places. And I'm particularly looking at this one in South America. Because the green line here, the circle, latitude of 19.47 degrees south, is passing through some very interesting volcanic areas in the Andes. So this is to be witnessed here. We have to watch this one. But there will be other locations. So I will upload a zip file, which will include the file to be uploaded on Google Earth to have exactly this representation and the projections of double star tetrahedron on Earth. And if you have any question, please let me know and I'll be happy to answer you. There will be many more presentation, more introduction videos about how we could apply sacred geometry. So this is a simple geometric figure, but we could apply other geometric solids on Earth, including the icosahedron, the dodecahedron. We obviously will show many more, obviously cover more areas and more energy points, because they have more vertices than the tetrahedron itself. So here we are. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and well, thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye for now.